Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel solutions for today. Today, we want to look at custom data format, where we want to use custom data format to validate our data. You can use it to validate your data in a situation where here we want to see that where our data is positive, the font should be green, and where our data has a negative number, the font should be red, and where we have a 0 in there, the 0 should change into a word format where we spell the whole word 0. And if it's a text, we should have data input invalid. So this is how we go through the process. I'll maintain the two. This is the before and this should be after. Okay, so I'll work on the after one. So first we'll select our data under the 10. We select the range, press on Control, select the second one, press on the third, select that one too. Now we go to our data where we have the number on the home tab. We go to number group, then we select custom. Where we have the number, we select custom. Then we go and look for red. We select that one and now do some editing in here. So we take off the CD sign and now use the bracket, but we spell in green because we want our first format to be green. Then we'll delete the CD sign here, so we have red. So we are seeing where we negative should be red. Then we introduce our semicolon. Now we are on the 0 aspect. We are saying the 0 should be blue, but we want to really input the word 0 where we have a 0. So inverted comma, we put, or the apostrophe, we put the 0, we spell the 0. Because we are introducing it, we put it into the apostrophe. Then we bring our semicolon. The last part is the text column. So we input our apostrophe, then we say invalid data. Then we close our apostrophe. Then we click on OK, see what happens. So you can see that the format, the ones we selected, the font has really changed. You can see that we have, where we have the positive number, we now have the shade to be green. And you can see that where we have a negative, now the font is red, and where we had the 0, it has changed to the word spelled 0, and the font is blue. And the last part, which was in the text format, has now changed to be invalid data. Now we can format our Excel sheet in that format, in that anytime you enter a data, then, or where people are entering data, when they enter in the data, it will tell them what to give this font color, or tell them that whatever they are entering is invalid. Assuming I can use the format painter here, and let's say use to highlight here, see what happens. If I enter, let's say 2, I spell 2 here, it will tell me invalid data because it's working here. So this we can really use in our daily work on our jobs. Thank you very much for following us on Excel Solutions. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.